Hey everyone, this is Miss Apple. I'm here for Simply Ocean Homeschool Resources, and I'm here to talk to you today about Nebraska homeschool law. I am on the HSLDA website, and I will be leaving that link in the comments, in the description below. This week, I can't talk, so you'll notice it'll be like 5 videos where I just can't say words right. I don't know what's going on. Okay, let's get to it. This is the short version of this video. Please look for the link to the long version of this video where it goes into more detail about everything I'm about to explain to you right now. Options for homeschooling. 1. Where you homeschool your child. School required ages that you have to report is from 6 to 16. That means if your child is 4 years old, you do not have to report that you're homeschooling. I started homeschooling my daughter when I was 1 and did not know about the homeschool laws for quite a while. So thank God for HSLDA and the fact that they tell us when you have to report this. So, also, if the child is 17 or 18 years old, like my daughter turns 18 in October, if I was in the state of Nebraska, I would not have to report that she is being homeschooled. Okay, so notification required. Yes, you have to tell them of your intent to homeschool. Teacher qualifications. Yes, they have some. What could that be? We'll find out in the detailed video. State mandated subjects. Yes, they have subjects that they want you to teach in addition to what you're already teaching or what you already plan to teach. Assessment requirements, yes, sounds crazy, but they want you to test your child and they want to know how they're doing. It's not that crazy, but you know what I mean. Okay, so assessment requirements says immunization requirements might sound crazy because you're at home. Why do we have to even talk about that? Well, I don't know, but I do know that some will accept an exempt form if you don't believe in due to religious reasons, or you just don't believe in it due to personal beliefs. They do have those available, but not all states accept them. So in the next video, in the long version of this video, we will go through that. This is just to let you know the basics of what you need, right? It's not detailed. So please stay tuned for Nebraska's detailed video, which should be next. So also I have the detailed videos for the other states coming up very soon. Please like, subscribe, and share for anyone who wants to know just the basics. And we will go over it in detail in a longer video right now. So yeah, like, subscribe, comment below if you've ever homeschooled in Nebraska and tell us how it was. All right, thank you, and I will see you guys in the next video.